fill them with as little trouble as possible.
Our own weatherman, Paul Gross, sent me an email, I think it was about a year ago, and he was asking me about concrete cracks, little hairline cracks in even new concrete. And I wanted to cover that issue right here today. Concrete just cracks. They could put a control joint every few feet. It would give it an opportunity to not crack across like this. It would crack at the control joints, but they just can't do it. So a big slab of concrete that's laid over a basement floor or out in a driveway just has a tendency to crack because of the movement of the earth and stuff. A crack like this, now this is getting a little bit bigger, but up to 1/8 of an inch, that'd be about that wide, is considered not a problem. Once it gets wider than that, then yes, water might get back in there. And the other reason they don't put a lot of control joints, say, in a basement floor, because people are carpeting and people are going to lay tile over it, and they don't know what to do going over those bumps and over those control joints, so they just don't do it. So concrete is just going to crack. You have to just admit that. Now, sealing the floor with a good concrete sealer wouldn't hurt, and or if you wanted to, if you were concerned about water getting in, if this is outside in a driveway or something, because right now I'm on the inside, you could run a little caulking on it there, a little silicone, because this crack may still open up a little ways. So you can always fill it with a little silicone if you're concerned. Now, you can't paint over the silicone. You're going to have to use some other kind of caulk if you're going to want to paint over this floor in the future. But unless you're in some type of industrial setting where cracking in the floor is crucial, that's just the way it is. Keep those cards and letters coming in, and we can...
Today.